Welcome to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. I'm your guide to explore Canada. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to the charming streets of Quebec City, Canada's diverse landscapes and cultures make it a must-visit destination. As we virtually traverse this beautiful country, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss an update. So buckle up, fellow travelers, and get ready to embark on a virtual journey to Canada's most iconic locations. Canada is brimming with breathtaking sights. Let's start our countdown with the 20th spot. We begin our journey at the vibrant Kensington Market in Toronto. This bohemian neighborhood is a melting pot of cultures, boasting an array of eclectic shops, cafes, and art spaces that reflect the city's multicultural heritage. Next, at number 19, we have the historic Distillery district. This pedestrian-only district is filled with Victorian-era architecture and cobblestone streets, offering a unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary design. 18th on our list is the beautiful Butchart Gardens in Brentwood Bay, British Columbia. This 55-acre garden offers a stunning display of floral finery, with blooms that change with the seasons, promising a different experience every time you visit. At 17, we find ourselves in the heart of Quebec City at the enchanting Château Frontenac. This iconic hotel offers breathtaking views of the St. Lawrence River and the Old City, making it a must-visit for any history buff. 16th on our list is the awe-inspiring Athabasca Falls in Jasper National Park. The thundering water against the rugged mountain backdrop offers a spectacle that is both humbling and exhilarating. 15th, we have the bustling Byward Market in Ottawa. This historic farmers market is the perfect place to sample local produce, artisanal cheeses, and handmade crafts. 14th is the stunning Moraine Lake in Banff National Park, Alberta. Its turquoise waters, set against the backdrop of the Valley of the Ten Peaks, create a scene so surreal it's like stepping into a postcard. Next up, at 13, is the vibrant city of Montreal, known for its rich history, diverse culture, and a food scene that would make any foodie's heart flutter. At 12, we have the Majestic Whistler, a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Whistler offers activities for every season, from skiing and snowboarding in the winter to mountain biking and hiking in the summer. 11th on our list is the iconic CN Tower in Toronto. This architectural marvel offers panoramic views of the city, and for the thrill seekers, there's the Edgewalk, the world's highest hands-free walk. Now, let's move into the top 10. At number 10, we find ourselves in the charming town of Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Lunenburg is known for its colorful architecture and maritime history. 9th on our list is the breathtaking Grosmorne National Park in Newfoundland. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a unique landscape of fjords, mountains, and coastal lowland, making it a haven for nature lovers. 8th is the historic city of Quebec. With its fortified walls, cobblestone streets, and French culture, Quebec City offers a slice of Europe in North America. 7th on our list is the iconic Peggy's Cove in Nova Scotia. With its historic lighthouse perched on a granite outcrop, Peggy's Cove is one of the most photographed places in Canada. At 6, we have the magnificent Niagara Falls. This natural wonder straddling the US-Canada border is a sight to behold, with millions of liters of water cascading down every second. 5th on our list is the vibrant city of Vancouver. Surrounded by mountains and the sea, Vancouver offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. 4th is the awe-inspiring Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. This natural light display, visible from the northern parts of Canada, is a sight that should be on everyone's bucket list. 3rd, we have the stunning Banff National Park in Alberta. Known for its turquoise lakes, stunning mountain peaks, and abundant wildlife, Banff is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. 2nd on our list is the captivating Icefields Parkway, a scenic road that cuts through the heart of the Rocky Mountains, offering breathtaking views at every turn. And finally, at number 1, we have the majestic Rocky Mountains. Stretching across British Columbia and Alberta, the Rockies offer a stunning landscape of towering peaks, emerald lakes, and abundant wildlife. And that's it for our top 20 spots. Next, we dive into the delicious world of Canadian cuisine. Canada's culinary scene is as diverse as its landscape, and you must try these 3 dishes. First up, we have poutine, a hearty dish originating from Quebec. It's a delicious mess of fries, cheese curds, and gravy, a comfort food that's hard to resist. You'll find this dish in diners and pubs across the country. Next, we have butter tarts. This sweet treat is a Canadian classic, with a flaky pastry shell filled with butter, sugar, and eggs. It's rich, gooey, and typically served with a dollop of whipped cream. Look for them in local bakeries and cafes. And finally, we have tourtière, another gem from Quebec. It's a savory meat pie, usually made with minced pork, veal, or beef. It's traditionally served during the holiday season, but it's so beloved you can find it year-round. After that delicious detour, let's talk about the practical side of traveling to Canada. Before you pack your bags, here are some essential tips for your Canadian adventure. Let's start with the basics. The local currency in Canada is the Canadian dollar, often symbolized as KD. It's always a good idea to carry some cash, but keep in mind that credit and debit cards are widely accepted across the country. For the best exchange rates, consider using your bank or a reputable online exchange service rather than airport kiosks. Now, when should you visit Canada? While every season has its charm, the months from May to September offer the most pleasant weather, perfect for outdoor activities. But if you're a fan of winter sports, the months from December to March are your best bet. Canada's cultural calendar is packed with festivities. The Canada Day celebrations on the 1st of July are a must-see. Winterlude in February transforms Ottawa into a winter wonderland, while the Calgary Stampede in July is a rodeo extravaganza. Speaking of weather, remember that Canada's climate varies significantly from coast to coast. While British Columbia enjoys mild winters, the prairie provinces can experience very cold temperatures. Always check the local forecast before your trip and pack accordingly. When it comes to accommodation, Canada offers options for every budget. From luxury hotels in downtown districts to charming bed and breakfasts in small towns, you're sure to find a cozy place to stay. For a truly Canadian experience, consider staying at a wilderness lodge or a cabin in the woods. Safety is paramount, and Canada is known for being one of the safest countries in the world. However, it's always wise to take precautions, keep your belongings secure, be aware of your surroundings, and follow local laws and regulations. Respecting local customs is also important. Canadians are known for their politeness, so remember to say please and thank you. Tipping is customary in restaurants and for services, typically between 15 to 20%. Lastly, let's talk about some hacks to get the most out of your visit. Make use of Canada's extensive public transportation systems, from city buses to cross-country trains. If you're planning to visit national parks, consider buying an annual Discovery Pass for unlimited admission. With these tips and tricks, you're all set for your trip to Canada. We've come to the end of our virtual journey, but your real adventure is just beginning. So, before you go, remember to click that subscribe button and keep the bell on for the latest travel updates. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow Globetrotters who might be planning their own Canadian escapade. Your comments and suggestions are always welcome. We love hearing your travel stories and tips. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey. We can't wait to hear about your real-life Canadian adventure.